I just got my food. This is some Thai food right here. Salad. Who eats that? Not me. Woo! It's hot. Damn, this looks good though. Sunny. So sunny. So somebody recommended this at the tattoo place. So she said it was really good. So let's see how good this is. Pretty good. But let's talk more about the NBA Finals. LeBron have no chance. He had a chance to win that first game. He messed it up. And the Warriors wasn't even playing that good. So imagine when the Warriors start hitting 70% of those threes. What do you think is going to happen then? Exactly. That's the same thing I thought. They have no chance. And that J.R. Smith thing, it wasn't his fault. I mean, yeah, he could have passed it out to LeBron. He could have shot it back up. But I really think it was his fault. The guy should have made that free throw. He's an 80% free throw shooter. He missed the most important free throw in probably his career. But even if he would have made that, I would have thought that the Warriors would have called the timeout. Splash Brothers would have came out, shot a little too, real quick. Had them jumping, had them on rollerblades. But now they really had no chance. How was the Cavs, one of the worst defense in the NBA, going to win 4 games versus the Warriors, one of the best offensive teams in the NBA? Now LeBron James did his thing. He scored 51 points, I think. But as you can see, that wasn't enough. So these are really good. So how are they going to win? I bet $1,000 to everyone who likes this video that the Warriors is going to win. I don't even have that money, but I'm just so confident that the Cavs cannot beat the Warriors. They got home next game, bro. You ever watch them in a game, or is it just me? And you think the other team is going to win, so when your nerves it's just bad, and you're like, oh my God, what's going to happen? And then all of a sudden, they fuck up. It was hot in her. But yeah. The Cavs will not win. This is going to be a sweep. They had one chance to win. One chance to win, and they messed that up. Now how many chances do we have? 0. By the time LeBron James, Steph Curry, and Kevin Durant all retire, Steph Curry is going to have more rings than LeBron. I got a feeling that I got a feeling that LeBron's going to go to the 76ers next year. This food smells like shit, but it tastes so good. But anyway, let me stop talking your ear off. And let's get back to this vlogging thing. Turn up.
I am too real, I am one of one. Wake up, my chains are bright like the sun. My back will bust like a thunder gun. Spent 100 on my wrist for fun. They told me be patient, my time will come. So I add up to some my thumbs is numb. Yeah, I counted by myself, I trust no one. Everything is low key, that's rule number one.